Hello children, very good morning all of you. This is Nagashri ma'am here. Yes, today I am going to start with maths. Okay, so all of you are ready to learn maths. We will start with block 1, numbers 0 to 5. You all know numbers, right children? Why is learning numbers very important, kids? Yes, because the world is full of numbers. We have to count them. We have to calculate. Yes, and it will improve our brain. It will improve our memory power. Yes, so we have to learn numbers and it is so much of fun. Yes, it is not at all difficult. It is so much of fun. Today, you know what? Now, I will draw flowers here. You have to tell me how many flowers are there. Okay? Yes. Just tell me how many flowers I am drawing here. Yes? Yes, how many flowers are here, kids? 1. There is only one flower, right? I will write here number 1. So, how will you write number 1? Like this? Or you can write 1 like this also. Yes? Very good. Now next, I will draw balls. So, have you seen flower children, colorful flowers outside in the garden? Yes? Then if so, I want you to go, if you have a garden at your home, go and count how many red flowers are there, how many blue flowers are there, and so on. Okay? Next, so I will draw a ball. You have to tell me how many balls I have drawn. Yes? I have drawn one ball. Now I have drawn another. So 1, 2. Children, while counting, what we will do? We will use our pointer finger. This is the pointer finger, okay? We have to keep the pointer finger on the object as we count, okay? Yes, 1, 2. So how we will write number 2? Number 2. Yes, I want all of you to write now 1 and 2 in your books, okay, in your classworks, and to draw flowers. Okay, your classwork is box classwork, right? Like this. Yes, so you have boxes in them. And you know what? Now, look here. If I draw a flower here, I want all of you to draw a flower inside a box like this. And then write dash here and write 1. And now I have drawn 2 balls, right? Write 1 ball here, write 1 more ball here, and then write dash and then write 2. Okay? So, or else you can also write like this. Write here 1 and then 2 and then put a dash and then write a flower. This will look much neater. Yes? Then again 2 balls like this in your classworks. So, write neatly like this. Okay? So, you have box classworks like this. I want you to write like this. Next, let me write number 3 here. So, I want all of you to write with me. Okay, number 3. How you will write number 3? Like this, right? Yes. Now you know what I am going to write. Yes, I am going to draw trees. Okay. So, let me draw. How many trees I have to draw? 3. So, you count with me children. 1. It's very easy. Just 2 lines like this. Little bit of curve. So, this is the trunk. Okay. And then I got one more tree here. Yes. And then again in the next box. Like this. Okay. Yes. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3. So, you can draw the trunks this way, which is easy, or else like this also. Yes. Trunks do not have particular shape. Okay. Yes. So, children, next you know after 3, which number comes after 3? So, 1, 2, 3, and then which number comes after 3? Yes, 4. So, how we will write 4? A slanting line, sleeping line, standing line. Yes, number 4. Okay, so now after writing number 4, I will put an hyphen. And now what shall we draw, children? What shall we draw? Shall we draw stars? Yes. So I will draw 4 stars. 1. Okay. You can draw 2 triangles like this. 1 triangle, then 1 more sleeping line up, and then come down another triangle this way. You can draw star like this also. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want all of you to draw with me in your classworks. So each drawing should be in one box like this. Understood, right? So ask the help of your parents if you have any doubt. Okay? Yes. So next, after 4, which number comes after 4? Yes. Number 5. Yes, very good. Number 5. So, what shall I draw now for number 5, children? What do you like? Do you like lollipops? Yes. Shall I draw lollipops now? Let's start. 1. So, go round and round. Start from this point. Take a curve. Go round. Go up. Come down. Stop. Then one standing line. Okay. 2 lollipops. 3 lollipops. You can take 2 curves or 3 curves like this. 4 lollipops. And then 5. Yes. So how many I have now? I have 1, 2. I want all of you to count. Okay. With me you have to count. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So now you know from numbers 1 to 5. Yes. Now shall we count once again? Yes. 1 flower. 1, 2. 2 balls. 1, 2, 3. 3 trees. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lollipops. And here, let's tell the numbers, okay? Read out the numbers loudly, kids. With me you have to do, children. 1, read out loudly. 1, read out the numbers loudly. 2, 3, 4, 5. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, very good. And you know what? You have to tell me what I have drawn in this box. Yes, inside this box, have I drawn something? Nothing, right? Can you see anything? Can you see whether I have drawn a flower, a ball, a tree, a star, or anything else? Have I drawn here inside the box? Have I drawn anything here? Nothing. The box is empty. So nothing is there inside the box. Nothing means what, children? Nothing means 0. Yes. So write here 0 hyphen. So write here in the very first, okay? After writing 1 to 5, leave one line, okay? Leave one column and then write 0 means 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 nothing. NOTHING nothing, or empty EMPTY. Yes, children, I want you to write in the next line. That is, you have to leave one line after writing this. Leave one line and in the next line write 0 means nothing or empty. There is nothing, okay? Yes? So you know the meaning of 0. Nothing is there. So now I want all of you to use your hands and I will read out the numbers. You have to show me. If I tell 1, you have to say 1 and show me on your fingers 1 like this. Show me on your fingers 1. If I say 2, you have to show me on your fingers 2 like this. Then 3, 4, okay, and then 5. Okay, you have to show like this. So all of you, are you ready? Yes. 1. Show me 1 on your finger. 2. Show me 2 on your fingers like this. Yes. 3. Show me 3 on your fingers. Yes, very good. 4. Show me 4 on your fingers, children. 4. And then 5. Show me 5 on your fingers like this. Okay? Yes. So, show me 0 on your fingers. How will you show 0 on your fingers? That means nothing. You can show like this. You can make a fist and then show like this. Okay? 0 on your hand. Yes. So, you know 1 to 5 and even 0 to 5. What is 0 you know? Very good, children. So, you know counting also using finger. That is pointer. Which finger we have to use while counting? We have to use pointer while counting. 1, 2, 3. So, I am using pointer finger while counting. Yes? Yes. Very good. Now, you know what? Here, I want all of you, okay? How many teddy bear is there? 1 teddy bear is there. And look here, 0 comes before 1. So, we have to count from 0 to 5. 0, look here, 0, after 0, 1, after 1, 2, after 2, 3, after 3, 4, after 4, 5. Yes. So, 0 to 5. And here they have given the pictures, okay? 1. Number 1 is there. So, 1 teddy bear is given here. Number 2 is given here. Hence, 2 frogs are here, okay? 1, 2. Now, look, what are these? Butterflies. These are butterflies. So, count with me. 1, 2, 3. Yes. And what about these? These are flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. What about these? Yes, stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I am using my pointer finger and I want you also to use your pointer finger. And look here, 0 means nothing. This box is empty. Okay. So now, you know what? Here I want all of you to take out your maths textbook. Okay, this one. Maths textbook. And then I want all of you to turn to page number 10. Okay, page number 10. And now, here, count the number of objects. Circle the correct number. So, what you have to do? Read with me once again. Count the number of objects. Circle the correct number. That means here how many objects are given. We have to search for that number and circle that number. Correct exact number. Okay. For example, let's count how many sun is here or sun are there in this box. Let us count together. 1, right? Only 1 sun is here. So here there are 2 numbers given in the box. Which are these numbers? 1, 2. Yes? So because 1 sun is here, where is number 1? Which one is number 1? This, right? So I have to circle number 1 here. Okay? So we have to circle the number 1, not 2, because there is only 1 sun. Understood? Now this one. 1, let us count using pointer finger. 1, 2, 3. So where is number 3? Which one is number 3? This is 5. This is 3. Circle number 3 because only 3 cars are here. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So what I have to do? I have to search for number 4 and then I have to circle that number. So this is number 4. And what about this? Which number is this? Number 0. Yes, you can show 0 like this also or 0 like this also. Okay? 0. So how many balls are there? 4 balls. So circle number 4. Yes. And here in this box, what is there? Nothing, right? Nothing. This box is empty. That means we have nothing to count here. So, nothing means this or this. Which number is this? Yes, 0. And which number is this? 3. So nothing means what? Nothing means 0. So I will circle the number 0 here. Okay? Yes. So here, next question. You are doing with me, right, children? I want all of you to do this with me. Okay? Yes. So you have to count and do, or else listen to the lesson first and then you can pause the video and write down the notes. Okay? Yes. Next question number 2. Draw 5 toffees. So I will draw 1 toffee for you like this. Okay? 1 toffee I have drawn. So how many more I have to draw? Yes, 4 more. Now I have drawn how many toffees? 2. 1, 2. So how many more I have to draw? 3 more, right? 1, 2 is here. So 2 toffees are there. So how many I have to draw if I want 5 toffees? 3, 4, 5. That means 3 more, right? Yes. Now, you know what? This is the 3rd toffee. Yes. Now, 3 I have drawn. So, after 3 is 4, 5, right? After 3, 4, 5. So, I have to draw 2 more toffees. So, I want you also to draw. Do you love to eat toffees, children? Yes, even I also love to eat toffees. Yes. So, I want all of you to draw like this. Now, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They also asked to draw for 5 toffees. So, we have drawn. Very good. Now, you know, draw 3 flowers. Color all of them in pink. Yes, you have to draw in your classwork where you have written this. So, after this, leave one line or go to the next page. Okay, go to the next page. And now, yes, now I want you to write number 3 here. Okay, write number 3. That means question number 3. Yes. So, write 3 and then write draw 3 flowers, color all of them in pink. Yes. So, write a circle. Then put petals here. Gives easy petals like you. And then, yes, a small line like this. So, let's draw how many flowers we have to draw, children? 3, right? So, I have drawn 2 flowers now. How many more I have to draw? In 3, I have already drawn 2 flowers. Okay? That means another 1 flower I have to draw. Yes. So, we have drawn 3 flowers. Now, I want you to pause the video and color these 3 flowers in pink color. So, you know pink color, children? Yes, right? So, color them in pink. Look, here in textbook itself, the very next question, this is pink color. The stars are pink in color. Okay? So, now, after you have drawn flowers and colored them all, you have to put a hyphen and then write 3. That means 3 flowers. Okay? So, 3 FLOWERS, flowers. Okay? You have to write like this. Yes. So, next question. 4th one. Okay? Count the number of stars. Circle the correct number. Again, we have to count and circle the correct number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, which is number 4 here? This is 3. This is 1 and this is 4. Circle number 4. And here 1, 2. These are blue color stars. So let's search for number 2 here. 0, 2, 5. So this is 2, right? Circle it. Very good. So next, let's go to the next page. Now you know to write numbers 0 to 1. You know to count them. Yes. So here I want you to do this activity. Okay, you have to just count and write the number of objects here. So now you know to write the numbers 1 to 5. 0 also you know. Yes. So here how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3. Yes, there are 3 yummy apples. Red apples. So here down I have to write number 3 and I want all of you to write number 3 as well. Yes. So next, how many ladybugs are there? These are ladybugs, again red in color. Let's count, okay, using pointer finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, number 5. Yes, I want all of you to draw write number 5 like this. Next, this is yellow flower and sunflower. It is a sunflower. And which color it is? Yellow in color. So how many are there? Only one, right? 1. So which number I have to write here? 1. Yes, children. So now all of you know to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even including 0 also, right? Yes, very good. Practice writing from 0 to 5 once again in your homework book, not classwork. Okay? Yes. And here, children, what you have to do? Count and write the number of objects. Okay? As we counted here and we wrote, even we shall count. Okay? How many smiley faces are there? Now, 1, 2, 3. 3 smiley faces. Yes. So, number 3. Okay, did you write number 3? Yes, very good. Next, what are these? Triangles. Yes. So, show me triangles on your hand like this. Yes, triangles with 3 sides. Okay. So, how many blue? Which color it is? Blue triangle. So, look at my pencil also is blue in color. The pencil which I am holding. Yes. Yes, children. So, how many triangles are there? 1, 2. Use your pointer finger, not pencil. Okay? Like this. 1, 2. So, write number 2. Start from here. Go up, come down. Like this. Okay? Write neatly. And here, let's count how many lines are here. 1, 2, 3. They are standing lines, right? So, there are 3 standing lines. Put a hyphen and then write number 3. Okay? Yes. Now how many standing lines are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can use pencil to count here because the standing lines are very close by. We cannot count them using pointer fingers. Yes? So let's count using pencil. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 standing lines are there. So put a hyphen and write number 5. First write a sleeping line like this. Then from this point a standing line. Write with me only, children. And from here take a curve like this and come. Okay? Yes? So wrote number 5. Very good. Next. How many standing lines are here? In question number C. Yes, only 1. 1. Right? And now you write 1 standing line. That means 1. Yes, number 1 looks like this. Yes, children. So, now you know what? Write all the numbers from 0 to 5. So, take out your classwork again. You have drawn 3 flowers and colored it in pink. Yes, you have colored it, right? I am going to check all your classworks, children. You have to complete your classworks. Yes. Now, you have written 3 flowers. Yes. Now you write question number 5. So write 5 in the margin and keep a dot. This is question number 5. Now, let's write in the boxes. So yours is a box book, right? Like this. So I will draw a box for you. You don't draw. Okay. Now I will draw. I have drawn boxes. You can write with me inside the box. 0, 0, 1. One standing line, simple standing line. Then 2. Look how I will write 2. I will start from here. Go up, come down. And then a sleeping line. Then 3. 2 curves like this. Yes. then 4, slanting line, sleeping line, in the middle standing line. Yes. So children, you have to write number 5, okay? After number 4, write a sleeping line, then a standing line, then a curve like this, number 5. So, you know to write 0 to 5, okay children? Yes. Okay? Now, you know what? Here in textbook, I'll turn to next page and I want all of you to turn to next page, okay? Here, I want all of you to read. Okay children? Read with me. 0. Z-E-R-O, 0. Z-E-R-O, 0. And this is 1. There is only one butterfly. O-N-E, 1. Okay? Yes. And this is number 2. How many butterflies are there? 1, 2. So count 2. T-W-O, 2. And then 3. 3 butterflies are there. You know to count using pointer fingers by now? Yes. And this is number 3. Yes. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Say loudly. T-H-R-E-E, 3. And this is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Yes. And there are 4 butterflies here. And this is 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Say loudly. F-I-V-E, 5. Yes. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 butterflies. Yes. So now, in your classworks, okay, take out your classworks, and in your classworks, I want you to write, okay, like this. 1 dash O-N-E, 1, okay. Next, 2 dash T-W-O, 2. 3 hyphen T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4 hyphen F-O-U-R, 4. 5, number 5 hyphen F-I-V-E, 5. Okay, pause the video and write this numbers 1 to 5 with their number names. What are these children? These are number names. We are writing the spellings of numbers, right? So these are number names, okay? So you have to write this by giving the heading number, N-U-M-B-E-R, number, N-A-M-E-S, names. So give the heading number, names, and then below that write 1 to 5, okay? And you know what? Before writing this, you have to practice the spellings of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Including 0. So, write here above 1, 0. 0 dash Z-E-R-O, okay? Write 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Then here you have to write the number names. So, write like this 3 times, okay? I want all of you to say and write 3 times. Write the heading number names 3 times and then write 0 to 5. 0 to 5. Number names of 0 to 5 you have to write 3 times, children, like this, okay? Next to it you have to write the names of it. Yes. So now, you know what? After writing in classworks, take out your textbooks again, page number 12. Okay, we will continue from here. So here you have to read the number and then write the number name. So now, by this time, you know the number names, right? So which number is this? 4. So what is the spelling of 4? What is the number name? We have to write number name of 4. F-O-U-R, 4. And this is 0. So now write the number name of 0, the spelling 0, Z-E-R-O, 0, okay? Yes. And now here, count the objects here, okay? Now we have to fill in the table. They have given 3, number 3, and then we have to write the number name here, okay? Yes. So 1, 2, 3 ducks are here. This is number 3. And what is the number name of 3? T-H-R-E-E, 3. And here 0. 0 means nothing. So we should not draw anything here. Okay. And then under this column number we have to write number 0. Yes. So what are these cats? So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count using your pointer finger. Okay, 5. So under the column number, we have to write number 5 like this. Yes, write neatly. And now number name of 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Yes, and here they have given the number name 1, O-N-E, 1. So here I will draw a star or a sun. We will draw a sun. Yes, because there is only one sun and moon. Draw a circle like this. Then standing lines up and down. Sleeping lines sideways. And then in between slanting lines. Okay. Yes. So write 1. Number 1. Okay. Yes. And now here count and write the number name. Okay children. Now here again I want you to take out your classwork book. Okay. And then write here number. Yes. Second main. For this you have to write 6th one. After 5, 6 for number names. Question number 6. And here, okay, in previous page you have to write first main. Here, I started this, right? First main. Okay, give first main. And then here you give A, B, C. All like this. For this 1 and this one 2 like this. And this one 3. 0 means nothing. Yes. So you can give like this. And then yes. Here first main, this is question number 3, 5, 6. You can find the questions in your textbooks. Yes. Now here for the next one write second main and question number 3. Yes, like this. And now count and write the number name. Let us count here. 1, 2. 2 triangles are there and this is question number 3. Under 3 it is A. So write here in classworks A. And now write there are 2 triangles, right? 1, 2. 2 triangles. Number name of 2 is TWO. Write number 2 as well. Dash and then TWO. Okay. Yes. And next these are ovals. What shape is this? Oval shape. Okay. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write B 4 FOUR. Okay. Yes. And now write the number names from 0 to 5. You already know, no need to write because we have already practiced it. Yes. And now you know what? Now we know counting, right? Forward counting we know. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now I want all of you to write the heading. Okay. Write 4. Question number 4. Forward counting. Forward. FORWARD. Forward counting. 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 Okay. Yes. Write 1, 0. Let us start from 0 children. Sorry. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want all of you to count again using your fingers. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will go reverse. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Again, once again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. So now here I want all of you to practice that at least 3 times. That is known as backward counting. Okay, reverse, in the other direction we are counting, in the reverse way, backward. Okay, that is known as backward counting. So write heading, write question number 5 and write heading BACKWARD, backward counting. Leave space, COUNTING. Yes, now write 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, I have written like this because there is no space. Write neatly, children. Okay. Yes, this is backward counting. Again, I will write. You also practice it. Writing 2 or 3 times in your rough notebook. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Write like this. Okay. Yes. So, you know backward and forward counting. This is forward counting. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is backward counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes? So you know what? When you know this properly, we can do this activity. That is snail activity. Okay? Here only we will do it. Yes? So, what is this? A snail. And you know inside they have given number 1. Then again here blank, then they have given 4. Then again one more circle is blank. Okay. Let us fill the blanks. Okay. So after 1 we will do forward counting, children, because 1 to 4 is there. That means 1 then comes 4. Right. So that means forward counting. We have to write the missing numbers. Okay. Yes. 1, 2, do the forward counting. 3 and then 4 is given and the other number which is missing is after 4 is 5. Yes. So after, this is after 4. Look here. After 0 comes 1. After 1 comes 2. After 2 comes 3. After 3, 4. After 4, 5. Yes. So here before 5 comes 4. Before 4, 3. Before 3, 2. Before 2, 1. Before 1, 0. While doing backward counting, before which number comes first, that is before, we are writing that number. We are saying that number. Okay. Here, while doing forward counting, which number comes next, that is which comes after. We are writing and we are saying that number. Okay, children. Forward means the next number we have to tell. Okay. Forward counting means the next number. Which number comes next. Okay. And before counting means, yes, what we are telling? Which comes first. Okay. That is before. Okay. Before number. Which comes first. This is after number which comes next. Okay. So we are doing this type of counting. Now here we have to do backward counting because 3 is given here, 2 is given here. Then these are missing the numbers here also. So you know what? If we do what, backward, or what we will do? Yes, we can do forward counting as well as backward counting. So before 2 which number comes? Before 2 first which number comes? 1. Very good. I will do backward and after. Both I will do. Okay, you also do like that. So before 1. That is before 1 which number comes? Which number comes first before 1? 0. Yes, very good. So write 0. Now here one more blank is left, right? Yes. So after 3 which number comes? This is 3. After 3, that is next number. Which is the next number after 3? That is 4. Yes. So I will write 4. Very good. Now here count backward. So you all know backward countings, right? We have to count backward and we have to fill these bogies which are left empty. Okay, so this is the train. Coo, chikabuku train. And we have to fill the empty bogies. So 5, 4, then which number before 4? 3, then 2, 1. Yes, very good. And here also we have to tell the before numbers. We have to do the backward counting. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very good kids. So now after that you know already this, so no need to write, okay? Or you can write here only from numbers 2 to 5, okay? Write here only from numbers 2 to 5. Do the after counting, that is forward counting, and write from 2 to 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. And now write numbers from 5 to 1. That means we have to do backward counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, very good. So 5 to 1 we have written. Now fill in the missing numbers. So here before 1 which number comes? Before 1. Yes, that is before 1, which is the first number that comes? 0. Yes. So after 1, 2. After 2, 3. After 3, 4 is given. After 4, 5. We have to miss these fill blanks. Okay, these are the blanks. Now here 4 is given. Here one blank is there. That means we have to write a number here. Which is the missing number? The number that comes before 4. Yes, 4 is 3. Or what is here actually before? This is backward counting. Look here, if I write 3 here, what will happen? Here they have written 3 again. So that means what? They have done here backward counting, children. Yes. So here while doing backward counting, we will start from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So you have to see what we have to do. What is the trick? So before 4 means 3. If you write 3 here, then 3 is given here also. That means we should do backward counting and fill in the blanks. Yes? Yes, children. So now we are done with the block 1. So I want all of you to write in this as I showed. Okay, you have to pause the video and write wherever the exercises are there. And then whatever I have written in this book, you should also write it in your class works. Yes, children. So once you are done with that, you know what you have to do. So this is the notes that I have given to you. You have workbooks. Yes, children. You have workbooks with you. That is, you have a red color book like this. Yes. Maths. Red color book like this. Maths. Yes. In that you have to turn to, yes, very first lesson. The first worksheet. Worksheet 1. Look here. Yes. Worksheet 1. And you have to put today's date. Okay. Yes. And then you have to, what you have to do, count the number of objects, match with the number. Look here, 1 I will do for you, the rest you have to do it on yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 stars are there. You have to count using your pointer finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars. So show it on your hand. 4, 4. And now search for number 4. Which number is this? 2. Which number is this? 4. Which number is this? 5. Yes. So where is number 4? This one. Stars is number 4, right? So from there to number 4, draw a line like this. Okay. Now write all the numbers from 0 to 5. You know 0 to 5 you have to write doing forward counting in these boxes. Okay. Yes, like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. Fill in the table. So you have to write objects are given here. If objects is left blank, you have to draw whichever objects you want to, like I showed you in the textbook. Yes. Then you have to write the number if it is missing and then the number name of that number if it is missing. Yes. And now fill in the missing letters. Doing forward counting, fill this blank. And doing backward counting, fill this blank. Okay. Yes. So after doing, don't forget to take a photo or it or come and submit the book and get the corrections done and take it back. So children, this worksheet 1 on page number 8, you have to complete this worksheet 1 and you have to do it on your own without any help. Okay? Yes. Very good. So complete the notes as well as the exercises that I have shown you in the textbooks. And then do the worksheet number 1 in the maths. Which one? Student application workbook, that is red color book. Yes children? Yes. Thank you so much. Bye.